Question 1. What is the maximum allowable blood alcohol concentration, BC, for a commercial driver in Alberta? A. 0, 8%. B. 0, 2%. C. 0, 0%. Answer: C. 0, 0%. Commercial drivers are held to a higher standard and are not allowed to have any alcohol in their system while driving. Question 2. When are you required to use a tachograph? A. Only on international trips. B. For all commercial trips. C. When driving vehicles over a certain weight. Answer: C. When driving vehicles over a certain weight. Tachographs are mandatory for vehicles over a certain weight to record driving times, brakes, and rest periods. Question 3. What is the most important reason for doing a vehicle inspection? A. To avoid fines. B. Safety. C. To improve fuel efficiency. Answer: B. Safety. Regular vehicle inspections are crucial for ensuring the safety of the vehicle, driver, and other road users. Question 4. True or false? You can drive in the right lane of a 3-lane highway if you are driving a truck over 4,500 kilograms. Answer: false. Trucks over 4,500 kilograms are generally required to stay in the rightmost lanes unless overtaking or otherwise directed. Question 5. When approaching a railway crossing, what should you do if you are driving a vehicle transporting dangerous goods? A. Speed up to cross quickly. B. Stop, look, and listen before crossing. C. Honk to alert any incoming trains. Answer: B. Stop, look, and listen before crossing. It's essential to be cautious at railway crossings, especially when transporting dangerous goods. Question 6. Fill in the blank. If you are driving a commercial vehicle with air brakes, you must check the blank every day. A. Tire pressure. B. Air brake pressure. C. Fuel level. Answer: B. Air brake pressure. It is crucial to ensure that the air brake system is properly pressurized and functioning correctly. Question 7. What is the minimum tread depth for front tires on a commercial vehicle in Alberta? A. 1. 6 millimeters. B. 3. 0 millimeters. C. 4. 5 millimeters. Answer: B. 3. 0 millimeters. Proper tread depth is crucial for maintaining traction and safety. Question 8. True or false? You should use your high beams at all times to increase visibility when driving at night. Answer: false. High beams should be dimmed when approaching or following another vehicle to avoid blinding other drivers. Question 9. When driving a commercial vehicle, what is the main reason for having good following distance? A. To provide a better view. B. To save fuel. C. To allow for sufficient stopping distance. Answer: C. To allow for sufficient stopping distance. Commercial vehicles require more distance to stop safely. Question 10. If your commercial vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission, what is the best practice for descending a steep grade? A. Use a lower gear. B. Use the brakes continuously. C. Coast in neutral. Answer: A. Use a lower gear. This helps control speed without overusing the brakes. Question 11. True or false? It is permissible to carry a small amount of diesel fuel in an unapproved container for emergency purposes. Answer: false. All hazardous materials, including fuel, must be carried in approved containers. Question 12. Fill in the blank. When securing a load, the number of tie-downs used must be at least blank the length of the load in meters. A. Equal to. B. Half. C. Double. Answer: A. Equal to. Properly securing a load is vital for safety. Question 13. What is the first thing you should do if your commercial vehicle starts to skid? A. Accelerate. B. Steer in the direction of the skid. C. Apply the brakes hard. Answer: B. Steer in the direction of the skid. This helps regain control of the vehicle. Question 14. What is the maximum driving time for a commercial driver before a brake is required under Alberta's hours of service regulations? A. 13 hours. B. 14 hours. C. 15 hours. Answer: A. 13 hours. Drivers must take regular breaks to prevent fatigue. Question 15. True or false? It is mandatory for all commercial vehicles to carry a fire extinguisher. Answer: true. Safety equipment, including a fire extinguisher, is mandatory. Question 16. When checking the air brake system on a commercial vehicle, what is a sign of a potential problem? A. Steady air pressure. B. A hissing sound. C. Low air warning device activating at the correct pressure. Answer: B. A hissing sound. This could indicate an air leak. Question 17. What should you do if you are driving a commercial vehicle and start to feel drowsy? A. Turn up the radio. B. Open the window. C. Stop and take a break. Answer: C. Stop and take a break. Drowsiness can lead to accidents. Question 18. Fill in the blank. When loading a trailer, the center of gravity should be kept as blank as possible. A. High. B. Low. C. Forward. Answer: B. Low. A low center of gravity helps with vehicle stability. Question 19. True or false? It is acceptable to make a lane change in an intersection if you are driving a commercial vehicle. Answer: false. Lane changes in intersections are hazardous. Question 20. What is the primary reason for conducting a pre-trip inspection on a commercial vehicle? A. To avoid penalties. B. To ensure the vehicle is safe to operate. C. To make sure you are on schedule. Answer: B. To ensure the vehicle is safe to operate. Safety is the foremost concern. Question 21. If your commercial vehicle is equipped with ABS, how should you brake in an emergency? A. Pump the brakes. B. Brake gently. C. Press firmly and hold. Answer: C. Press firmly and hold. ABS prevents the wheels from locking. Question 22. True or false? You can transport any amount of personal medication in a commercial vehicle without declaring it. Answer: false. Regulations may require the declaration of certain medications. Question 23. What is the best way to deal with a tailgater if you are driving a commercial vehicle? A. Slow down. B. Tap your brakes. C. Increase your following distance. Answer: C. Increase your following distance. This gives you more time to react. Question 24. Fill in the blank. When coupling a tractor to a semi-trailer, you must ensure that the fifth wheel blank is unlocked. A. Release arm. B. Locking lever. C. Jaw. Answer: B. Locking lever. Proper coupling is essential for safety. Question 25. True or false? It is permissible to use a mobile phone while driving a commercial vehicle if it is a quick call. Answer: false. Mobile phone use while driving is prohibited to prevent distractions. Question 26. When is it necessary to use hazard lights on a commercial vehicle? A. When driving below the speed limit. B. When stopped on the side of the road. C. When overtaking another vehicle. Answer: B. When stopped on the side of the road. Hazard lights indicate an emergency or vehicle not in motion. Question 27. If you detect a strong sulfur smell from your commercial vehicle, what could this indicate? A. An overheated engine. B. A tire blowout. C. An exhaust leak. Answer: A. An overheated engine. This could indicate a coolant problem. Question 28. True or false? You are allowed to drive a commercial vehicle with a cracked windshield as long as the crack does not obstruct your view. Answer: false. Cracks can compromise the structural integrity of the windshield. Question 29. Fill in the blank. The use of blank brakes is crucial when driving a commercial vehicle down a long, steep hill. A. Drum. B. Air. C. Engine. Answer: C. Engine. Engine brakes help maintain control without overheating the service brakes. Question 30. What is the correct way to secure a refrigerated load in a commercial vehicle? A. Use wooden blocks. B. Use cargo bars. C. Use ropes. Answer: B. Use cargo bars. They provide adjustable and secure load bracing. Question 31. True or false? It is legal to drive a commercial vehicle with a suspended license if you are carrying essential goods. Answer: false. A suspended license means you are not legally allowed to drive. Question 32. When should a commercial vehicle's headlights be turned on? A. Only in complete darkness. B. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. C. Only in heavy rain. Answer: B. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. This improves visibility and safety. Question 33. What is the primary purpose of an air dryer in a commercial vehicle's air brake system? A. To cool the air. B. To remove moisture and contaminants. C. To increase air pressure. Answer: B. To remove moisture and contaminants. This prevents freeze-ups and corrosion. Question 34. True or false? A commercial driver's license is valid in all provinces and territories of Canada. Answer: true. Commercial licenses are typically recognized across Canada. Question 35. Fill in the blank. When securing a load on a flapped trailer, tie-downs should have a combined strength of at least blank of the load's weight. A. 25%. B. 50%. C. 100%. Answer: C. 100%. Proper securing prevents load shift and accidents. Question 36. What should you do if your commercial vehicle starts hydroplaning? A. Accelerate. B. Brake hard. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Answer: C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. This helps regain traction. Question 37. True or false? A commercial vehicle can be driven if it has a minor air leak in the brake system. Answer: false. Air leaks can lead to brake failure. Question 38. In what situation should you use the four-way flashers on a commercial vehicle? A. When driving heavy traffic. B. When changing lanes. C. When broken down or stopped in an area that may obstruct traffic. Answer: C. When broken down or stopped in an area that may obstruct traffic. This warns other drivers. Question 39. Fill in the blank. The maximum allowable working hours for a commercial driver in Alberta per week is blank hours. A. 60. B. 70. C. 80. Answer: B. 70. Regulated hours help prevent driver fatigue. Question 40. What is the most important factor in controlling a commercial vehicle while turning? A. Speed. B. Steering wheel position. C. Use of mirrors. Answer: A. Speed. Controlling speed ensures stability and prevents rollovers. Question 41. True or false? You can drive a commercial vehicle with a standard car driver's license if it is under a certain weight. Answer: false. A commercial driver's license is required for commercial vehicles, regardless of weight. Question 42. When driving a commercial vehicle in foggy conditions, what should you do? A. Use high beams. B. Use low beams. C. Turn off all lights. Answer: B. Use low beams. High beams can reflect off the fog and impair visibility. Question 43. What is the main purpose of having a retarder on a commercial vehicle? A. To increase acceleration. B. To help slow the vehicle. C. To improve fuel efficiency. Answer: B. To help slow the vehicle. Retarders provide additional braking power. Question 44. True or false? You are required to wear a seatbelt at all times when operating a commercial vehicle. Answer: true. Seatbelts are mandatory and can save lives. Question 45. Fill in the blank. To prevent rollovers, keep the load's center of gravity as blank as possible. A. High. B. Low. C. To the rear. Answer: B. Low. A low center of gravity helps maintain stability. Question 46. What is the first thing you should do if you have a tire blowout while driving a commercial vehicle? A. Brake immediately. B. Steer straight and ease off the accelerator. C. Swerve to avoid debris. Answer: B. Steer straight and ease off the accelerator. Sudden braking or swerving can cause loss of control. Question 47. True or false? You are allowed to transport hazardous materials in a commercial vehicle without proper placards. Answer: false. Hazardous materials must be properly labeled and placarded according to regulations. Question 48. Fill in the blank. When adjusting mirrors on a commercial vehicle, ensure you can see blank of your trailer on both sides. A. All. B. None. C. A little. Answer: C. A little. This helps ensure proper visibility for lane changes and turns. Question 49. What should you do if you encounter a vehicle driving the wrong way in your lane on a divided highway? A. Flash your headlights. B. Hum continuously. C. Slow down and pull to the right. Answer: C. Slow down and pull to the right. This helps avoid a head-on collision. Question 50. True or false? You can leave your commercial vehicle idling unattended if you need to quickly run into a store. Answer: false. Leaving a vehicle idling unattended is unsafe and can lead to theft or other hazards.